Hello students. I would like to today talk about a misconception that we have when we are converting 12-hour to 24-hour time. I know everyone knows how to work a analog clock and everyone knows how to read a clock, traditional clock in the classroom. But today we're going to be talking about just a little bit of confusion that we've had when we're working on our workbooks and we are coming to specifically the PM time, and we are going and mixing up PM and AM when converting to 24-hour and 12-hour time. So with this, we're going to look at a sample question that we've seen some students have trouble or difficulty with. So, is the following correct? We have 4 p.m. So note, it says PM. That's our prime focus right there. So we're going to go hone in and go, that is in the afternoon. So 4 p.m. And we're going to go convert that to 24-hour time. So when we're looking at 24-hour time, we do know that that this would be incorrect because we have 4 p.m. and then it translates to, is that correct? 14 o'clock, 1400, as we would say? No, it's not, because with changing our 12-hour time to 24-hour time, we have to add 12 to our number here. So if we're going to add 12, that becomes 12 plus 4. So that becomes 16. And then we go 1600. So there's common confusion, because if it was 4 a.m., so 4:00 a.m., and that converted to 24-hour time would equal 0400. So I think there has been some confusion when we've looked at the AM, and then we are thinking that it's just the straight conversion from going from 4 AM to 0400. Whereas if it's PM, that's our prime focus. We know that it's going to be going into the 24-hour time of 1600. We're adding the 12. So that's our basic rule. We just need to add 12 hours. So if we go up here, we are going to go and follow a bit of a test here. So we've got our 12-hour, and then we're going to our 24-hour time. So 7 p.m. Remember PM. So what are we going to do here? We're going to add the 12. So plus 12, that is going to become 1900. So remember the 1900. And because it's 24-hour time and each specific number has their own correspondence, you don't have to write AM or PM because it's 24-hour. It goes from 0000 to 2400. So you've got your midnight to midday. All right, so 9:45 p.m. So we have our prime PM. What are we going to do here? Exactly, we're going to add 12. So that becomes 21:45. Great work, guys. Love the work. Okay, now we're going to do a little bit of a tricky one where we're going to have the 24-hour time here, and then we are going to convert that to, what's that going to be? Does anyone know how to reverse this? We minus 12. Great job, guys. Great job. So that becomes 10. And then we know that it is going to be PM. 10 PM. 2200. Okay, so what about this one? This is a bit of a trick one, guys. Look at it. What's the main focus here? AM. What are we going to do here? If it's 24-hour, how do we represent that? We are going to go 11:30. That just becomes 11:30. Simple as that. That's where we might be getting our confusion. And then this last one, 23:50. That's an easy one. What are we going to do there? We're going to minus 12 hours, and that becomes 11:50 p.m. All right, work on some of these, guys. Just do a bit of a reverse, and you should be able to find out your 24-hour and 12-hour by minusing 12 or plusing 12.